Hello everyone and welcome to Driven Mad.
So I thought he'd better do a walk round of everything that he's done, because he's been waiting so patiently to get these bits on, and we thought it's not quite finished, but in essence this is the car you dreamt of.
Exactly.
So it's all what you wanted to do, you've done it. So let's, come on, give us a full tour, my old son.
As of right now, we've just finished putting the exhaust on, and we've just driven it around the block a couple of times, and well, as you can see, I'm sort of jumping for joy. Frothing. But you can see here at the front, we've got the new headlights gone in. We're still waiting, as we say, it's not quite finished yet. We're still waiting for the blacked out ones to come for them, but you know, that won't be massively different, but the main headlights are in. The black trims I've put on just to cover the old chrome, to completely black it out.
I take it back. I said I hated them.
Yeah.
I love them.
Yeah, now they're on, he loves them. See, I knew it. The wheel spacers have gone on. The wheel covers aren't on because I've done one lap around the block. I still need to torque up the wheels again. Now, the wheel spacers are on. We went 13mm at the front, 15 at the back, and I think it makes the fitment absolutely perfect. I mean, they are dead flush. Not sticking out too far, still looks nice.
Well, the car you took into our man cave and the car we've driven out, it looks like a completely different vehicle.
It does. It's very, very weird. I'll bring you around the back and I will show you the exhaust here.
My favourite bit.
Now, at the back, what is your favourite bit?
The Koshi carbon fibre.
That Koshi carbon fibre diffuser is a piece of artwork, isn't it?
And we've got, or you've got, two carbon fibre wing mirror covers. They're on back order.
They're on back order, so they should match this lovely red. They'll be fully red on the wing mirrors. And down below we've got the Alta exhaust. Now, this is still silenced a bit, but it doesn't sound that silent, does it? It bangs and pops. It's exactly what I wanted, so I'm over the moon, because I started it up with no exhaust on, and it's so loud. I mean, so loud. And I wanted it ever so slightly quieter, and I wanted to get rid of that inner tip that they come with from factory, and I don't really like the Monza 4 exhaust. So
you wanted fist size.
I wanted fistable, and that's hot. God. And the black trim on the back there and the black trim around the badge is on.
Oh, and if anyone knows where we can get a plate made, we want one with Drivenmad on here. Yes. Anyone knows where we can get one?
Yeah, custom plate holder. If anyone knows where to get them, please let us know. And to finish it off, this is probably one of the, other than the bits I've done in the video, these were one of the biggest changes to the back of the car.
Yeah, they've made a huge difference.
Facelift lights. Now these are slightly tinted, so they also continue with the blackout theme.
The biggest difference for me, and it's a surprise, is the spacers.
The spacers,
It's made the car look like a completely different vehicle.
It is, it has. It really has, actually.
And I'm really shocked.
Yes. Well,
on how sexy it looks.
When I opted for the 15s at the back, I was a bit nervous that they might be too far, but they're absolutely perfect. I mean, it's perfect. Perfect. And I couldn't be happier with it at all. So my last little jobs, like I say, are the daytime running lights, and then I've got one door trim here that I'm going to fiddle with, and other than that, it's pretty much done. And God, I'm chuffed. I'm just over the moon with how it turned out. Now let me know in the comments if you like my upgrades, but for me this is perfect. I didn't want to go massive aftermarket alloys or anything like that. These ones for me are pucker, and all the little add-ons I think have made it. Obviously here in Portugal it's hard to tune cars because most of it's not legal, but what I've done here is, so I've still got a muffled exhaust, this, that and the other, and it for me is OEM plus, I think, is the look. For me, just fixing what Fiat could have done with the Abarth, and
that's a bit harsh.
It's just, for me, this is exactly how it should have looked, and got it. So super chuffed. Hopefully you enjoyed the couple of videos we've done on it, and stay tuned for future videos.
And anything else. What else can he spend his cash on?
Exactly, I've got nothing else in life to spend my money on, just this bad boy. So thank you for helping me with the bits badge.
My pleasure, and I've thoroughly enjoyed it.
Thank you everyone for watching, and stay tuned for the future vids.
Yeah, we've got a fair bit more on the L200s next.
We do, thank you.
watching my